delicious and affordable homemade rice salad with preserved lemon recipe for beginners. Everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a fantastic recipe for you, a homemade rice salad with preserved lemon. This dish is not only delicious but also budget-friendly, making it perfect for beginners who want to explore the world of flavorful and healthy homemade meals. Before we jump into the kitchen, make sure to hit that subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our tasty recipes. Now, let's get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for this homemade rice salad with preserved lemon. The best part is that most of these items are kitchen staples, making it easy on your wallet. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of long grain rice. 2 cups of water. 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, halved. 1 cucumber, diced. Half cup of black olives, sliced. 1/4 cup of red onion, finely chopped. 1/4 cup of feta cheese, crumbled. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 clove of garlic, minced. Salt and pepper to taste. Preserved lemon, homemade or store-bought. Preserved lemon explanation. Before we dive into the preparation, let's talk about preserved lemon. It's a game changer in this recipe, adding a unique and zesty flavor. You can find preserved lemons in some specialty stores, or you can easily make them at home. If you want to make your own, check out our video on how to prepare preserved lemons, the link is in the description below. Preparing preserved lemon. Alright, let's start by preparing our preserved lemon. Rinse it under cold water to remove excess salt. Remove the pulp, and then finely chop the lemon peel. The preserved lemon will add a burst of citrusy goodness to our rice salad. Cooking rice. Now, let's move on to cooking our rice. Using a medium-sized saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Once boiling, add 1 cup of long grain rice and a pinch of salt. Reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is tender and the water is absorbed. Preparing vegetables. While the rice is cooking, let's prepare our fresh vegetables. Dice the cucumber, halve the cherry tomatoes, slice the black olives, and finely chop the red onion. These vibrant veggies will add color, texture, and nutrition to our rice salad. Making the dressing. Next up, let's make the dressing that will tie all these delicious ingredients together. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Whisk everything together until well combined. Combining ingredients. Now, in a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked rice, chopped preserved lemon, diced cucumber, halved cherry tomatoes, sliced black olives, finely chopped red onion, and crumbled feta cheese. Pour the dressing over the mixture and gently toss everything until it's well coated. And there you have it, our homemade rice salad with preserved lemon is ready to be enjoyed. The combination of fluffy rice, vibrant vegetables, and the zesty kick of preserved lemon makes this dish a crowd pleaser. It's not only delicious but also affordable and easy to make, making it perfect for beginners in the kitchen. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you so much for joining us today on our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or if there's a specific recipe you'd like us to feature, leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking! Thank you very much, rice salad with preserved lemon lovers.